Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in assessing and analyzing the traffic flow in various areas. One such area is Greenpark in Delhi, which is known for its bustling streets and heavy traffic. Traffic surveyors in Greenpark are responsible for collecting data on the number of vehicles passing through the area, their speed, and the patterns of traffic congestion. This information is then used to develop effective strategies for managing traffic and improving the overall transportation system in Delhi. Greenpark, being a popular residential and commercial area, witnesses a significant amount of vehicular movement throughout the day. The presence of traffic surveyors helps in understanding the traffic patterns and identifying areas that require attention. By conducting surveys at different times of the day, traffic surveyors can gather accurate data about peak hours, bottlenecks, and areas where traffic congestion is most prevalent. This information is then used to develop targeted solutions to ease traffic flow and ensure smooth movement of vehicles in Greenpark. SCON Design is a renowned firm specializing in urban planning and infrastructure development. With their expertise and experience, they have contributed significantly to the design and construction of transportation systems in various cities, including Delhi. In Greenpark, SCON Design has played a key role in creating innovative solutions to manage traffic effectively. Their collaboration with traffic surveyors has resulted in the implementation of intelligent traffic management systems that use real-time data to regulate signals, monitor traffic flow, and provide alternative routes during peak hours. The partnership between traffic surveyors and SCON Design has proven to be highly beneficial for Greenpark and its residents. By analyzing the collected data, SCON Design can identify areas that require infrastructure improvements such as widening roads, adding new lanes, or implementing better traffic signal systems. These enhancements not only help in reducing congestion but also enhance the safety and convenience for commuters and pedestrians alike. Furthermore, the integration of technology has played a significant role in the success of traffic management in Greenpark. Traffic surveyors utilize advanced tools like automatic vehicle counters, speed detectors, and CCTV cameras to collect accurate data. This information is then shared with SCON Design, who uses it to devise effective strategies for improving traffic flow. The use of technology has not only made data collection more efficient but has also enabled real-time monitoring and analysis of traffic patterns. In conclusion, traffic surveyors have become an integral part of managing traffic in Greenpark, Delhi. With their expertise and use of advanced technology, traffic surveyors continue to contribute towards creating a more efficient transportation system in Delhi's bustling areas like Greenpark. Traffic surveyors in Greenpark play a vital role in ensuring the smooth flow of traffic in this bustling area of Delhi. With the increasing number of vehicles and the constant movement of people, it is important to have trained professionals who can analyze and assess the traffic patterns. These surveyors are responsible for collecting data on vehicle movement, congestion points, and other factors that may affect traffic flow. By conducting surveys and analyzing the data, they can identify areas that require improvement and suggest appropriate measures